Hey, what's going on? A lot of people wonder how you can remove tar from your paint. And you see the tar is melting on this Dodge Durango we have in the shop. Well, it's really easy, and I'm going to show you how we do it right after this. You can see on the back side as well, you see that tar. I just say it's melting, but it's really just kind of dissolving. So this client had a bunch of tar kicked up from the road, from the wheels, and what I'm using is this bottle right here. It just says adhesive remover generically, but this is Rapid Tack Rapid Remover, and the link is in the description. It works. This is the best adhesive remover I've ever used. I use it for removing PPF adhesive, vinyl adhesive, you name it, decals, whatever. It's really expensive. You can get it in smaller bottles, but I believe the gallon is over $100. But it's the best, and it goes a long way. Like it's not like we're refilling gallons on a monthly basis. A couple of sprays, and as you can see, the tar is starting to melt off. You can see it took a little bit of agitation. It wasn't completely touchless, but pretty much gone throughout the whole car.